In this video we're going to learn how to ungroup text in Lightburn. So I'm going to start by selecting the text option and just typing in some text. And you can see when you work with text it keeps the letters grouped, which is obvious. We want them grouped so that we can move them around easily. But sometimes we want to separate them out. And if it's grouped we can't do that. So if we try to ungroup it, if I right click and look for the ungroup option, you can see it's greyed out. And the only way we can ungroup these or separate these letters is by converting the text to a path. And that's this option down here. So I'm going to select it. And then when you come back to the text now and select each letter, you can see now we can move these out so they're ungrouped. Now when it comes to letters like O, you might want to think about how you drag these out, because you can see what happens. It separates the inside of the O. So I'll just undo that. What you need to do is just highlight everything and then right click and group, and that will now keep all that letter together, so now you can move them around easily. Now I'll also show you what to do if you've got a script font. So let's select the text option again. We'll go and select a script font, type the word in, and you notice as I type that in, you'll notice how it's showing individual letters there, which is nice. But as soon as I select the select option, you'll notice everything is all combined now. And if I try to ungroup it, I can't. If I convert to path, I can do that. But again, the letters are still combined. You see these chunks of letters are still combined. So if you want individual letters, what you need to do, and I'll just undo this first, get back to where it was. What you need to do is come up here. So you've selected your text. Come up here, you'll see this option called welded. If you unselect that, you'll notice now we get those individual letters again. And then if I select it, the word, right click, come down to, I can't ungroup it, but I can convert it to a path. And then now you can see I can drag these letters out. Now again, we're having that problem with the letters losing the insides of the letters. That's fine. A quick tip for that, if you want to do them easily, is just drag out the ones that are okay, like these ones here, and the W, and then you can do these individually. It makes it a little easier. Right click and group, and you can do those with each of those a lot easier, a lot faster. Okay, so that's it. That's how you separate text using Lightburn. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help our channel. We're only starting out. And subscribe for more videos like this.